Hello everyone, and these are the Flippy murders. 9 unnecessarily gruesome and violent tales of one man's journey to learn and teach vellum, flip fluids, and rigid bodies to unleash havoc and destruction upon the test rubber toy. Why, you may ask? So you can get your dream job of working on the next major zombie game TV show remake, or Mortal Kombat, or maybe you've just lost your mind like me. Whatever the reasons may be, the first 100 damned souls shall get a 25% discount. Offer code is given below in the description. So go forth and unleash hell.